Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about travel insurance for Indian students going to study abroad in France. Now, why I've opened Google? Because it's very simple. A lot of students get confused. What kind of insurance should I have? Where should I go? It's very simple. The same way you buy any insurance in India. So, whatever insurance you need, you just simply need to write travel insurance France. Now, this video is about France, so we'll cover France. Now, there would be so many insurance options available. The first option is you contact Campus France, they will send you the list, but mostly that list includes all the top insurance providers available in the market. My recommendation to you would be to compare all of them. So, I always suggest Policy Bazaar. It's not a sponsored video. It's just that I and different students who have been in touch with me have taken travel insurance from Policy Bazaar because first of all it's affordable, number two you get to compare multiple options, and number three it's seamless. You get travel insurance policy within 5 minutes. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is simply go here and write France, click on next, then simply enter your age. Most of the students would be in this bracket. I'm going to write my age, 35. Pre-existing medical condition, no. Click on next. Trip start date. Now, this is very important. Your travel insurance should be for 90 days, regardless of your stay. Whether you're going for 1 year program or 5 years program, it has to be 90 days from the date of your travel, because after 90 days, you would anyway be subscribing to Social Security in France. So for first 90 days, it has to start from the date of your travel. Now, let's say if I have booked my flight for September 5th, I have to select September 5th here and 90 days from September 5th. So that would be October, November, December 5th. That's it, 90 days. I think it would be November 50 and the 5th, right? So it has to be 90 days. You can calculate on your own and then simply click on next. Enter your phone number. I have already entered my phone number, so I'll click on view plans. Now you would see multiple options that you would be able to compare. So you see Care Health, you see Tata AIG, you see Niva Bupa, you see Digit, you see Royal Sundaram, State Bank of India. Most of these insurance policies, they work abroad, but my recommendation is always go with international providers. Now, if you see Tata AIG is international. So I would rather go with Tata AIG. Now click on, now you'll see something here. You'll see medical expenses covered are $100,000. Usually if you have a plan of $50,000, it's worthy enough. And it's definitely possible to go abroad with a $50,000 medical insurance, which is also your travel insurance. A lot of people get confused if I should go for a travel insurance or medical insurance. Please note your travel insurance in itself is a medical insurance. So you would be selecting a policy. It would be of $100,000. $100,000 would probably cover everything. It also includes your baggage loss and loss of passport insurance. Plan premium, you can see here, it's 2746 rupees. Click on buy now. Now, there are a couple of questions that you need to answer. Please select yes if you're traveling abroad for obtaining medical treatment. No. Click on yes or no according to your answers. My answers are no for most of these questions. So traveler, you need to enter your date of birth. My date of birth will be this. So again, I don't need to buy a policy. It's just a video that would help you understand how you can take a policy. Click on your nationality. Do you have any pre-existing medical conditions? Click on no. And please remember, a lot of students ask me, I already have a policy, Prayag. My parents have a policy. I am included. My company provides a policy. No, that policy is not going to work here because your policy needs to start from the date of your travel and it has to be for 90 days only. Click on continue. Voila. You need to write a couple of information here. You need to enter some information. For example, your personal details. Traveler name would be my name. So I'm going to write my name here. I'm going to write my full name. Priyaga Shapali. Select your gender. Enter your passport number. Enter your nominee details. Enter relationship. Could be a friend, father, mother. I would rather select brother, but you can select anyone. I declare the nominees of 18 years of age, bare minimum. Proposer detail would be your details. So these were your personal details, but again, proposer details would be your details too because you are proposing this. Then again, enter your mail ID. So I've entered my mail ID. Then PIN code. Address. You need to write your address. It's a random address, but you just need to write that address. an alternate number, and then insurance and the relationship with the insured person. So it's myself, so I would rather select self, click on proceed. That's it. So you can double check your policy details here. Your name, your phone number. Your name should be exactly the same as it's in your passport. Your name, your phone number, your email ID. Sum insured would be $100,000. Could be 50,000 as well, but I recommend $100,000 because it covers everything. Premium would be 2,300 rupees. It would cover whole of Europe, Schengen region. That's myself, that's my age. There's only one policy. Your alternate number, your email ID, your phone number, your passport number. These are very, very important things. So please double check all of them and then click this and simply pay. Now, I'm not going to pay here because I am not traveling anyway. I already have a visa. But if you need to buy an insurance, this was just a tool, a video, a learning curve for all of you to understand how this insurance works. Click on pay now. And the moment you pay, within 10 seconds, you will be able to see your policy. Download it, take a Xerox, apply for visa. That's it. It's that simple. If you have any questions related to student visa, travel insurance, health insurance, please post in the comment section. I would make sure I personally answer all of them. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, then share it with those who might need it in future. And bon voyage.